Hey, what's up guys? A lot of you have been asking about what cleaner I use to clean off my stuff. As you can see, some of the stuff's clean. Figured I'd save some for the video. So what I use Simple Green. It's a decently well-known product. You can get it at any Napa store or really about anywhere. Another good product is Purple Power. That's good. It's like the same stuff, it's just a little stronger, eats away more at the dirt. But spray some on your rag. Alright. You come over to what you're cleaning. Clean off this power box. As you can see, it's pretty dang clean. Just after first wipe. I'll do that to pretty much everything. It doesn't hurt a whole lot. So you can also pre-spray if it's an okay area to do so. I'll let it soak in a little bit and get all the grease and the oil off it before you really wipe it off. It's really nice. I would recommend it for anything that's oily or greasy or just in general cleaning. I normally use it on my vehicles when I have bird poop because it doesn't attack the paint and it allows the bird poop to come off pretty easily, pretty quickly as well. So helps from scratching up your vehicle when you use water and towel. So yeah, once again, I use Simple Green and Purple Power just to clean about everything under the hood. Yeah. Hopefully it'll be a little more clean under here soon. Got new plugs and everything else for it, so stay tuned, subscribe, like, clean this bad boy up. Thanks.